My video is dedicated to help you get rid of the online scam that is related to the site Donik.live. Donik.live is a new deceptive website. It attacks Google, Chrome and other browsers. It tries to mislead you and to make you download and install certain potentially unwanted software. Interacting with this website, Donik.live, is extremely dangerous. If you interact with it, if you download or install anything that these pop-ups suggest, you will be redirected to some other malicious sites, and you will notice that they actually promote some other totally different and even malicious software. Pop-ups by Donik.live may be the trace of certain adware currently enabled in your computer. So, Donik.live is not the good site. You should not trust it. What we recommend you to do is to research your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. The best place to obtain its fresh version is on the website combocleaner.com. So go to this official page of Combo Cleaner antivirus, combocleaner.com. Download the installer of Combo Cleaner antivirus. After Combo Cleaner antivirus is successfully downloaded and installed, you need to start it and begin researching and investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.